Well, hey there folks, we're back on the 83 El Camino. So in the previous video I showed that we put this Boss head unit in here. Got the 10-inch subwoofer and amplifier hooked up. We've got that bridged. We've got new 3.5-inch full range speakers in the dash. And the 4x10 three-way speakers just came, so I've got those installed. And they're basically right behind your head here. So they're in a real good position. So, you know, it's a 4x10-inch, what's the word I'm looking for? Full range. And then I believe, what is it, a 1-inch dome tweeter?
Oh, and
1.5-inch dome tweeter, and then like a 3/4 little...
1-inch dome tweeter, 3/4,
1-inch dome and a 3/4 piezo, however you say it. But anyway, it all seems real balanced. It sounds real good. So we're going to go ahead and run a test and let you guys hear it. Go for it. I know bass doesn't come through on the TV very well or on the phone, but you'll have to trust me, it's not distorted. It sounds really good. Alright folks, so stand by real quick and I'll show you what we got going on. Alright folks, for the 10 or 20 of you that watch my videos, I know, pretty pathetic, huh? So here's the Boss head unit. It's nighttime, so I've got a light on it. Just a little Amazon special, but it sounds really good. It's got Bluetooth, got USB, got everything we need. He can answer his phone call, so that's what we got in here for the head unit. And then here's the 4x6 three-ways right here. So someone had already cut holes in here, and they, what's that?
4x10.
Oh, I guess, okay, 4x10. I misspoke. So these are 4x10s. Someone had already cut holes in here, so I figured, you know, I might as well utilize these spots. So there's the three-way 4x10s right there. Just some piles off of Amazon. They sound really good, though. And then I showed this previously. It's a dual amplifier. We picked it up from our local O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's a 4-channel, and it's got, you know, it's got two built-in crossovers. You know, in case you want to run one channel for lows, one channel for highs. You know, want to bridge one channel, whatever you want to do with it. Right now, we're just, you can see, we're just running 2 channels, and it's bridged only into one 10-inch subwoofer. I did go ahead and use a 4-gauge wire. Just because, why not, right? The wire's rated for up to 1600 watts. So how many watts is this supposed to push when it's bridged?
I believe 500 maximum.
500 on one channel, okay. Or bridged like this. And the subwoofer's rated for 500 too, isn't it?
Maximum, yeah.
Yeah. So who knows what it's actually doing? I'm pretty sure, you know, I don't think that's RMS. It's probably peak, I'm not sure. But anyway, it sounds really good. It's got, you know, like I say, the crossovers, bass boost, everything. I got the bass boost totally turned off. I've only got the gain like 2/3 of the way up, or I'm sorry, one third of the way up. I've got the hertz all the way down at 50. Not really trying to push the subwoofer hard at all, but it has great bass. And then there's the box back there, the subs in, and like I said previously, I just made just took a piece of wood and made a little mount for the amp and carpeted it so the amp screws right onto the box and the box is bolted down. And yeah, that's how that's in there. Alright, so here's the other side of the amp right here. There's that speaker. It's a dual 10-inch too. Just got it all from my local O'Reilly Auto Parts. Those guys up there have always been real good, and they got good prices, and it's got plenty of bass for this. We actually bought two, but he thought it was too much, and he wanted to put a spare tire back under the bed, so we're just running one. And as you can see, I'm only running the rear part of the amp, half the amp. And you can see where I've got everything set. I've got it turned down really low. I got the bass boost off. I got it on the low pass filter for the sub. And I've got the gain really low on the amp. But it works really good. Sounds good. And that's why we just went with one, because he wanted the spare tire under there where it originally goes. I think that was a good call. And the car did come with a carpeted piece that snaps on here. Snaps onto those snaps, and it covers everything. So we'll probably be putting that back on there. And besides that, it's got the two 3.5s in the dash, but I can't show you those because they're underneath the grills on the dash. But yeah, not too bad. We'll go ahead and play one more thing for you guys. All right, he's gonna go play one more thing here. It's got some bass on it. Go ahead.
Hey D, you know that song All the Girls Wanna Ride? Well hell, let's make it a remix.
Georgia boys, yeah. D Thrash,
And Lenny Cooper.
yeah. All the girls wanna ride with me, yeah. All the girls wanna ride with me, yeah. They say they like my truck, my truck, my truck, my truck.
All the girls wanna ride, tear yourself up. Hop into my jacked up truck, get stuck, wanna ride. Let your hair down, said you want a redneck, don't be scared. All the girls wanna ride, tear yourself up. Hop into my jacked up truck, get stuck, wanna ride. Let your hair down, said you want a redneck. Lenny Cooper. Been spinning tires, boggers, man, they digging insane. Grips staring up shit, we be killing the game. Mud digging is a habit, you can say that I'm an addict. Three things, girls, trucks, mud, damn, I gotta have it. So don't worry, it's a party where I go. I got a truck loaded down with beer and they ice cold. I'm the man around the town, all rowdy, all loud. On the weekends it's a shit dig plus a throwdown. Man, life is great, baked beans and country fried steak, it's okay.
Alright folks, well thanks for watching. I think it sounds pretty damn good for the kid's first car. I know I'd be happy if, you know, it was my first car and my dad did all this stuff for me. I had to figure all this stuff out by myself. I'll come up with my own money when I was a youngster. So, yeah, I think it's pretty good. Runs good now. Sounds good. Next, we'll work on the primer a little bit. We'll sand it down and lay some new primer on it. I took it down yesterday and got some good used tires put on it, all 4 of them, and got them all mounted, put new valve stems on it. And yeah, she's definitely coming along. Thanks for watching, guys.